All right, guys, welcome back to Walden's World. We are at Central Mall, and we've got one of these brand new 200cc dune buggies that we're having some electrical issues with. And so let me find out. Hey, what have y'all done to this thing so far?
All we've done is tried starting it, messing with the wires, checked all the plugs, can't figure nothing out.
Can't figure nothing out. Okay. So we did get a neutral light. Looks like they put a different key switch on it. We're still having some electrical issues. So we're turning the key on and off. We got no electricity. We should have some power. And hopefully this battery box is good and not tricking us. So we're wiggling these, and battery box is good. One thing I noticed here though is, and we're going to try this right quick, we need to check for power. So their power is randomly shutting off. And let me show you what China did on this particular model. So they put the ground wire right there, and if you know, behind that is actually part of that plastic cap. So I'm not sure what actually, I think there is a plastic grommet in the plastic cover itself, and I'm gonna guess that it's probably not grounding out properly through there. So we're gonna pull that off and ground it to the motor and see what happens. But that is the ground wire for this whole system. It's worth the research. But anyway, if you buy one of these 200cc wheels and you kick my tools over, we're gonna get to the bottom of this. Hopefully it's fixed, but we'll see what happens. All right, let's see. Here, Joe, hold on to that.
I got it.
Yep. This will end our dilemma. Let me turn that off. Okay, so I know I've got a good ground now. My key switch is on. However, we still got a problem because it wasn't on when I hooked my ground up. So I know I have a good negative. I went ahead and reran my wire up here to the top of the head. So that's where a lot of your scooter motors are. So I know that's solid metal. And then we went back through the positive part, and looky here. So on these units, you've got a starter solenoid, and this is going to be some possible relay for lights. This would be a flasher for turn signals. I guess this thing's got turn signals on it. Here's your computer for your CDI, your spark plug coil, and your starter relay. Here is a fuse box. Listen. And if you can see the neutral light, you can see the neutral button flashing. So this has been taped shut. I'm gonna have Joe hold the camera. Let's take a look inside, shall we, Joe? I'm gonna bet you there's a fuse and they're just flopping. You want to put any money on it?
I heard it.
Huh?
I heard it.
I said, do you want to put any money on it, Joe?
Sure. I'll give you some money. Here, how about $900 of Ricky's birthday money?
You got Ricky's birthday? Show, get a video of that.
Should find that in the floor.
We're gonna drop that in the middle of the mall and then watch somebody.
Good times, good times.
Be really happy about their life. Oh, looky here. Not that that would matter, but is it broken here? gonna stop recording on that. All right, so I used my little poker here and I popped those wires out of the fuse box. They go in different directions. You can see a little groove. That means the clip goes up towards the top there, and they'll clip in. And the groove goes down towards the bottom there. So we are rebuilding the fuse box. I clamped those down a little better, so we're gonna put this fuse back in.
Again, this Chinese stuff.
Yeah.
Just what you have to do.
I'm not sure the fuse isn't bad, but we should get a lot better connection on this fuse now. And we'll go ahead and plug everything in. So we got voltage there, and I think our battery was good anyway. And bam. Try and start it, see what happens, Joe.
Just start the key.
I don't know. I think you
Yeah,
gotta have
push the pedal.
gotta have a brake on these.
One.
Let's see here. Oh. You got the wrong key switch, bro.
Yeah.
Bro. All right, hold the camera.
No, they hooked up. Damn it, how many times you done told me? Yeah. That's what you gotta do.
This is why I get paid the big money.
Yeah.
So let's turn this back on. And we want to jiggle a bunch of wires.
Hang on, I think you need to up there.
Jiggle these wires up here, you know. I mean, because this is what it's going to be going through. We got parts falling off of it, and
Tools.
neutral light's still good. Let's go ahead and plug the original key switch back in. And we'll see if that's good. We'll turn this one off. And plug that. Put that one back in. And this is supposed to be one big rubber. Semi-rubber proof deal, but actually it looks like it's gonna hold water. Okay, so let's come over here and see if the original key switch works. We ready? All right. This thing have blinkers on it?
Yeah,
Oh, check out these.
I know.
Man. Horn work,
Yeah, it's road ready.
blinkers work,
Road race ready.
hazard lights work, original keys. Gonna shake some wires.
Started.
It's electrical, I wanna beat it.
Started.
Beat it! Man,
Started it.
I can't start this stuff anymore, bro. Bruh.
You started.
So what happened to the top of our fuse box? What are you recording? You recording anything or just random stuff? You got your finger in the way the whole time?
No, I don't, sir.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. So this is that 200cc, is that what they said? 200cc go-kart. Had electrical issues. So number one, I definitely changed the ground on those. And this one has the same ground wire. That's a piece of plastic behind her. Now there is a metal shim in there, but you know, put it on the metal. Come on, China. Anyway, and then the fuse box apparently is going to be an issue on these coming up. So good to know. But once we figure out the kinks, usually things work out pretty good. Joe, what'd you find there, bro? What'd you find? Huh?
I didn't find nothing.
What'd you find? Keys. Birthday money for scooter, $900. That's interesting. Y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Number 2, black buggy, no power. Oh wait, we just got power.
Hey, see, that's how good I am. Point a screwdriver at it, boom,
Yep.
fixed.
Bang that, tap that box. Tap it. See that, guys? Tap it.
I'm tapping it.
Yeah, what do y'all think? Number 2. Let's open her up. What's your name today?
Bucky.
Bucky. Open her up, bro. 200cc buggy. Man, it's around there. Somebody's missing a nut. Sounds like you're missing a nut.
Hey, there's one in
That
the
one
crack of the
literally-
door right there.
Are you even watching what you're recording, Mr. Perfect
Yes,
Video
I
Recorder?
am. I am.
So looky here, ladies and gentlemen. That
That
literally,
much for the cost.
I mean, that's how loose that was. And now we lost it.
Yeah, he threw it down in the mud pan there.
Anyway. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Here comes Santa
That's, it is what
Claus.
it is. Just quit like that. Give
So
up.
you can get you a little poker doker. Go on the top part, because that's where your little...
Oh.
Joe, I thought you unhooked it. I'm just kidding. It's the fuse box. Right. Alright, we need some vice grips, Joe. You about tried to kill me, Joe.
It's all fun and games until somebody gets electrocuted. It's hilarious.
So we're just gonna crimp these up a little bit here.
Hey, did that hurt right away or did it take a little bit?
Yep. Here, look. I don't know. What do you think?
Don't
All
try
right.
this at home, kids. He's
Don't
a
try this at
PR
home.
professional.
We gotta bend our tails back out here so they catch. With Joe's assistance, obviously.
Hey, watch that red wire there.
Right? Apparently red means stop. Did you see that kid over there with those cookies? Alright.
That's it. That's-
Now we gotta fish our fuse out. We got those locked back in.
Just jabbing the mud pipe there. This soup's done.
Here comes.
Yeah, man, ain't them things nice?
Ooh, that fits in there snug now. I mean, you can't even, you know what I'm saying, bro?
Mm-hmm.
See what I'm saying, man? What'd we do with that roll of electrical tape we just confiscated?
Was memory gone from that electric shock therapy?
Doc said it'll be fine.
Thought they said it was over.
Yeah. Do y'all see that? Y'all see those stars? You guys hear that? Alright, so I guess this is our... I don't even know why the tape's on this, to be honest with you.
You just fixed it.
I was gonna say it's waterproof, but the wires are right there.
Whatever.
So,
It's that electric shock therapy, man. It does wonders for a guy. Don't worry, man. I'll hook
Wait,
you back
dude.
up. I'll hook you back up when we get to
where's
the
that 8mm at? You got an extra one? Here comes Santa. Alright, we're gonna relocate this deal.
Yeah, turn that key off.
Turn the key on. Turn the key on.
You want me to start it up next time and get you real good?
Yep.
Joey, damn it, let's turn the key off. Whatever. That was funny.
Turn the key on. Are you still recording?
Yeah,
Really?
all that.
All of it?
Yeah.
This is like,
This is the
I
best
feel
part.
like I was that, you know, in action guy, the turtle guy. You remember him?
Yeah.
Man,
Turtle Man?
Yeah, that dude was cool.
Yeah, I saw him. He'll be out Thanksgiving. He got hurt or something in a car wreck.
Car wreck?
Yeah.
Damn it. That'll happen when he's swerving, watching
Guess he
fucking
made
turtles.
enough money. He didn't have to chase turtles anymore.
Man, he had a turtle in the middle of the road and he swerved. That's what I heard.
I think that's what he said. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know if Turtle Mama's still around, but she's cool.
Yeah.
I like that show.
I did too.
Don't make fun of it.
No, man. That nigga was real to himself. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, what was his little mating call? Yay!
I don't know all about it. You're a lot better at that than me.
As long as there ain't no perv offering candy, you can get out your way.
Yeah.
Getting that candy.
God, it's taking you forever.
Oh my god.
Let me throw that on the ground.
Really?
Let me throw that on the ground. See if that helps.
Try one more time.
Yeah.
Look at you go now.
You know what's crazy is the wires aren't even in here.
Crazy? I know it's crazy. A football bat.
Football bat.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Turn that off or you still recording?
I'm recording. You
Turn it off.
Incompleteness is a sin.
Huh? Alright, so we're gonna... Are you recording?
Says it is.
Man, are you recording or not?
Yes.
We're having a bad... You're supposed to be...
No, you're
on-
making it sound bad, but
You're-
I got it all.
You're telling me right now you're trying to be some kind of new Hollywood director and all this stuff.
Listen,
And I'm just not even sure if you're actually... Are you recording?
you'll see later.
Huh?
You'll see later.
Okay, so here we go. Cut 16. So this is where we're putting the neutral wire on after Joe's not recorded 15 times, ran out of batteries twice, and he's my new editor. So this is what we're doing.
Look here, man. This is what he gets.
And so anyway, we're gonna put it right up to this top part of the valve cover. It'll be away from the exhaust and everything and all the heat and everything. And you're gonna have a good connection.
Good apprentice is hard to find.
Yep. And we're letting him do the easy part, getting that stupid box back on, because I hate those. So, let's see, Joe. Is it gonna work now?
I doubt it.
Are you ready? Are you recording?
Yeah.
I'm over here at the key switch, bro.
Yeah. Okay. Start it up.
So you got the neutral light?
It ain't on yet.
You can't even see it from there. You got everything. That's not the best shot. You got to come
Oh
over here.
man.
Our video and stuff is
Yeah.
something.
Just
Okay,
go.
are you ready?
Just go.
Take 16. Okay, Joe. All right, guys, we're gonna turn this thing back on, and we're gonna see it through. Okay, you ready, Joe?
You're really pushing me to the limits of my medications.
Okay. All right. So that neutral light looks like a good light. Now let's go back here and jiggle some wires.
Oh, now you want me to go back here?
No, I want you to watch the light. I'm going to jiggle the wires.
Well, how are they gonna know what wires you're talking about?
Because you were hitting the box last time. Down here, look, show her. Now, look. So we're smacking all the wires. Because this is rough, you know. You shouldn't do this to your electronics. So, we're good. We're solid. We're good to go. Hey. Good. Hey. Me and Joe. I don't know who's worse at... Joe's... Here, camera. Here, wait. Here, wait. Come here. Okay.
But
You gotta do a picture of me. Just turn around. I'm over here, Joe. Okay. Y'all like, subscribe,
no.
hit the notification button. You got anything to say, Joe?
No, I'm good.
Huh?
I'm good.
All right. We're out of here.
Try to get ready.